So hi guys, my name is TommyLjung and today we're solving the Rubik's Cube. So this is a cube we're going to solve today. It's a standard Rubik's Cube 3x3x3. Now I'm only going to show the easiest way of solving this in my opinion, meaning it will be quite slow. So if you want to solve it faster or already know this method, you will have to look for another more complicated tutorial. But to be able to explain how to solve this cube, I will have to go through some different moves you can make. And the base of all the algorithms used in this is up, turning the up side clockwise, right, turning the right side clockwise, left, turning the left side clockwise, front, turning the front clockwise, down, turning the down side clockwise. And to make this a little bit more complicated, we can also make every move anti-clockwise. So then it is up inverted, right inverted, left inverted, front inverted, and down inverted. That's the basics of it all. So now when we know that, it's time to solve the cube. All algorithms used will of course be shown on the screen when I'm doing them, and then I will make a cheat sheet to place at this time in the video. So if you only need the algorithms, you can just go there and then you can see them, so you don't need to watch the whole video. But the first thing we're going to make is a cross with one of the colors, and it doesn't really matter what color. But here we have the white one, so let's go for the white cross. And in reality you just find a white piece, and then for example here you have a white and a blue one. Then it needs to line up with the white middle piece and the blue middle piece, because the middle pieces can never be moved. So let's move this over here so it matches with the white one and the blue one. Let's look for more white pieces now. This is, for example, white and green. Let's move it so it matches with the white and the green. So this is the white and red. Very easy move, just line it up here. And then look for the white and orange. And then place it up here. So we have the white one and the orange one. And now we have the cross. Like so. Now we have one white cross and all of this is matching as well. The next thing is to fix all these white corners here. So let's just take a white. This is white, blue and orange. Let's place it exactly under the place you want it. You want it here because it's white, blue and orange. Now let's use our first algorithm, which goes like this: right inverted, right, down. And now it's in the right place up here. If it's in the right place but flip the wrong direction, just do the algorithm again until you have it in the right place and face the right way. So this is white, blue and red, and it should be here white, blue and red. So it should be up here. So let's do it one more time. Right inverted, right, down. And now it's up here, but in wrong direction, so do it again. And now it's faced the right way. Let's find the next one. Here we have the white, orange, green. White, orange, green. And let's do the exact same moves again. And let's find the last one. It should go up here, and it's here. So let's just do the same. So now we have our first layer, the white one, and all of this matches as well with the middle pieces. This is very important, so if it doesn't match here, the rest of the cube cannot be solved. And now we have the white one in the bottom because that's already solved. Now the next move is to solve all this, so that we have the first layer that's already done, and then we have the second layer as well. Now let's find one of these four that is not yellow, and we have it here. It's red and green. Now let's match it with the red one. Now there's two ways of doing it. Either you put it down here to the right and it will be right and green here, and that's what we want. Or you can put it down to the left. It will be red and green here, but that's not what we want, so let's not do that. But we start with taking this to the right. Let's use this algorithm then. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And now we have it here, exactly as we want it. So let's find one more. This is blue and red. We match it with the blue one here. And it also needs to go to the right. So the same algorithm here. So we have up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And now it's here as well. Perfect, let's find another one. This is orange and blue. Yeah, of course. Now this needs to go to the right as well, but hopefully we will show the left algorithms as well, but I can't promise anything. But let's do the same algorithm here. And now it's here. So now let's find another one. So now we've come to a place where all this four contains a yellow one. Meaning this one is in the right place but faced the wrong way. So to get this up from here we need to take another piece down. So now I can show you the left algorithm instead. To get this down to the left, and yeah, we want this because we want to have the green and orange piece up so we can place it down the right way, face the right way instead. So then we use algorithm number 3 instead. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. So now we have another piece here, but that's not really what we want, but let's check over here. Here we have the orange and the green one. So let's put it down here instead. So let's do the algorithm again. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted and front inverted. So now we have the white one still done, that's good. And we have both these lines done as well. So now we only have to do the last layer, the yellow one left. So now we want to create a yellow cross here. Now you can only come to 3 different states here. Either you have an L like this, and then in that case you want to hold the cube so you have the L to the top left. Or you have a line with yellow like this. Then you want the line facing like this. Or you already have the cross here and then you don't need these steps, so just continue with the next steps instead. But to get the cross from this, we use the next algorithm that goes like this. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And now we have the line here instead. So just have it face like this and just do it one more time. So front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And now we have the cross. Great! So now we need to match these middle pieces. So let's try this. This is right now, this is wrong, and this is wrong. So let's try another way. In some way at least 2 of them should match, and here we have the red one and the blue one matching. So either you have 2 like this matching, or you have one here and the other one up here. And if you have that, you will need to run the next algorithm 2 times to solve it, but yeah, just do it. This example have 2 matching like this. You want one facing away from you and the other one facing to the right. And if you have 2 like this matching, you should have one facing you and the other one facing away from you. And then we can take this next algorithm, and here we have the right, up, right inverted, up, right, right inverted. And to solve this we need one up as well to match all the middle pieces. So now we have all the middle pieces sorted out, and then we have the cross as well. So now we need to look if some of these 4 is in the right position. And this is in the right position. Let's spin the cube so it's facing us to the right. If you don't have any of this in the right place, it doesn't matter how you hold the cube. Important to note here is that it should be in the right position. It does not need to be facing the right way. So let's use this method now. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. So let's see now. This is in the same position as before, and the other one is still in the wrong position. So let's try this again. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. So let's see now. I think everything is in the right position. Here we have the yellow, blue and red, yellow, blue and red. If you have anyone that's completely fine and right face the right way and so on, it should be up here. And then you should have one that's facing the wrong way up here. Now we should actually use our first algorithm again, so let's do it. Right inverted, right, down. And now we need to do this until it's in the right place. Now we've used that algorithm again, and important here is to only think about the top layer now. So don't think about anything else, because it will change by itself in the end and it will look very beautiful and it will be solved in the end. Turn only the top layer until you have the next one facing the wrong direction up here. And now we should use the same algorithm again. So right inverted, right, down. And now we need to do this until it's in the right place. So guys, now we have actually the cube solved. Good job! This is actually the easiest way, in my opinion, to solve the cube, but it's also a quite slow way of solving it. But I've done this in around 90 seconds with this method, and it would be nice to hear you in the comments what times you have done to solve this cube. So please put your times in the comments down below, and let's hope that this video helps some of you. So if you like this video, please press a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye!